Alright, round two, guys. Let's go. Hopefully this works this time. I wanted to show you guys some stuff, dude, so. Look, guys, it'd be your biggest haters who be joining first. One of my biggest haters. It's the first to join, bro. You guys know my haters got their notifications on, bro. But that's the thing. Honestly, haters were once friends, right? That's how it is in trading. So, today they love you, another day they'll hate you, man. That's how it is as a trader on YouTube and on Twitter, and when you post trades. Is everyone loves you when you give them a good trade, and then everyone is shitting on you if you ever make a bad trade. But I'm used to it at this point. I don't really care. Anyone's in the alerts knows that the gains heavily outweigh the losses. You know, it's just a matter of persistence, and a lot of people break. You know, in the times where you're not making 150K. But these trades where you make 100K plus, they come around, you know, every 2 months ish. So it's like most people break within the 2 months in between. Most people just, they lose all their money, and then by the time the time comes to make big money, bro, people fucking blew it. They drop out of the alerts, right? They drop out of the alerts, and then they're mad. They're just salty traders that, you know, went to this trader graveyard, as I like to call it, and you know, it sucks. That has to be like that. You know, I wish I could help people more, man. Like, it really sucks, man, to see, like, you know, you try to tell people, you try to help people, but they just blow it in the in between times, you know. And it's like, bro, I can't help with that, you know. I mean, I can't. I've tried to explain my risk management process. I've tried. I have a risk management course. I got the Crash Train Charts course, but you know, you can only help people so much. Where there's a level of self-responsibility you have to take upon yourself to figure this shit out as well, you know. And really, trading is, it's mostly mental errors, and it's mostly just emotional errors, really, for me. It's not about the analysis or being correct, you know. Like, of course I'm going to be wrong sometimes, but more times than not I'm right, you know. Way more times than not I'm right. So it really just comes down to, you know, you guaranteed are going to make money trading with me. You just have to keep your mental and emotions in check, and your risk management on point, right? If you do that, you know I'm gonna be right way more times than I'm wrong. So if I'm right way more times than I'm wrong, you should be making money, as long as you're, you know, risk management correctly, right? As long as you're doing and you got your shit together. So unfortunately, we can say that, but you know, still many people fall to the trader graveyard regardless. And that's why they say, what, 95% of traders fail. So, you know, I just watch my Telegram subscribers go down, whether I'm making whether I'm making good trades or bad trades. It just doesn't matter, bro. Like, the number I've noticed is, it's constantly a net outflow of traders. There's constantly more people quitting than there is usually joining at this point, especially in the bear market. So I've just grown accustomed to that now, and realize, you know, I used to look at my Telegram subscribers now. I used to be like, man, why? How is this going down? Like, look at the trades I'm making. And now I just don't even care, dude. It's like, bro, people are going to do what they're going to do. I can't. What can I do for them, man? I give them freaking free alerts, free videos, free analysis. And, you know, oh well, it is what it is. Mo, I'm not crying, bro. Look at you. You're the one crying in here. Jeez. First person to join, first person to cry, first person to suck a dick. Wah, wah. Cry. How is Litecoin doing? Look, guys. Came across a tweet yesterday on Twitter. Here, I'll give him credit. I don't know who it is. I just came across it, which is a very simple analysis and way to find the top of the next cycle, which makes sense. You know how it works. Dude, the only dork is you. You literally come in my comments and you complain. You're like, I'm broke, dude. I'm broke. I'm like, bro, of course you're broke. You got a Snapchat QR code as your profile picture and you attention whore. Oh, please scan my Snapchat QR code and talk to me. Yeah, no wonder you're broke. Because you come in people's comment sections, you complain that you're broke, you'll have a Snapchat QR code, and you expect to have money, bro? Nah, bitches don't make money, okay? All right, no, I'm done being rude though. Like, yeah, guys, I told you when I plan to take profits is USDT dominance hitting support here, right? Except, let's see. Hopefully we don't. I mean, the market's raging, bro, and of course, in these times where the market's raging bullish, like, you don't want to get like over comfortable or confident, right? But to me, it seems like we got higher to go and lower to go in USDT dominance. So Mo, when you remove the Snapchat QR code from your fucking profile picture, then talk. But as far as I'm concerned, you freaking act like a, 10-year-old attention whore piece of shit who never got love from their parents. So get the fuck out of here. Alright, guys, I'm done being rude to people. These guys are so lucky I even, like, noticed their comment. Fucking lucky, bro. I'll focus on the positive people. I feel bad, bro. You guys know me. I always like to, like, talk shit back to people, man. It's just how I am. But, I know some people get annoyed. They're like, bro, why you gotta focus on the annoying people? And I'm like, you're right. You should focus on the cool people. But come on, guys. It's kind of hard not to talk shit to people. I'm a natural shit talker. That's how I am. But let's go to the moon phases, guys. Especially when you got a 10-year-old Snapchat score groupie fucking, crying in your comments. Look at me. Okay, I'm done. Alright, look at this, guys. Bam. 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 Look at this. Next black moon, whatever that moon is. See? See? So, look, this moon was on the 22nd. This moon was on the 20th. So the 20th of the month is right here. Look at this. And it lines up very well with this pattern analysis. Bam. Wait. It's like this, right? Yeah. Yeah, guys, I think we're chilling. Let's look at the top for the next cycle. Next cycle top, 81,000 to 160,000 to 190 to 218. Sell. Sell in October of 2025, boys. Jim Cramer yesterday wanted you to sell your Bitcoin right as we approached the lid. That's why I said, everyone. Tomorrow we have CPI, and we're headed into the last resistance before the lid is off. You know, it's nice we didn't have to really go through any pullbacks so far. Pretty much none. This could be a good spot to hedge a short on Ethereum, maybe, for a small short. Look at this. Bam. Little short right here. Set a stop loss. Is there any RSI divergence? I don't even know if you can call this a divergence or not, because this peak was there. I feel like it's reset. In my opinion, dude, I feel like we're coming back up to 2,000 in ETH. So this is just small little head shorts if you do it. You know, I think Bitcoin's supposed to come to 28K. But most importantly, guys, right, don't get fixated on the target of 28K. Be fixated on the target and USDT dominance here. Is this support. If we come down to here, it's going to be a great spot to be locking in some profit. How long does it take to get accepted to the Telegram channel? So it should only take like 2 days to get accepted into the Telegram, but that's if you follow the steps correctly. So like as long as you truly and honestly follow the steps, you know, you will get in easily. But a lot of people don't know how to follow the steps or the directions and stuff, so I don't know, man. Could take you weeks if you didn't do it right. Or maybe never get in if you didn't do it right. So you got to set up an account on the partner link. You got to deposit minimum $1,000 into your account. Sometimes we'll let like people with 750 join. Very rarely. Now I don't handle the emails and the requests. So, but the thing is yeah, you gotta what's it called? I don't know, guys. I forgot what I was saying. No, weekly chart's super strong. Weekly chart was a major reason why we believe we would break past 25K. Let's come out to a clean chart. Like, dude, there's nothing bearish about this chart, bro. All you gotta do is walk away. Look, 28K to here. I believe this is our next area to take profit in. It's right here. Okay. But there we can pull back. I mean, we could collapse from there, but I don't see why we should. Can also do that. So this is my first target. This is the main target, right? It's around 28K, and then USDT dominance hitting support at 6.43%, bro. Okay, if we get that, if we get to here and this gets to here, we're taking profits, bro, aggressively. I honestly, I might just lock in everything. I mean, lock in everything in one freaking position. Well, I'll probably keep like 10 to 20%. It's a very simple analysis, guys. Does everyone get that? Analysis is simple. You got targets, support here on USDT dominance, resistance on Bitcoin. If those line up and match together, yeah, we're taking profit, bro. Or at least I plan to. And, you know, it sucks to take profit because this is such a strong structure that, to me, you wouldn't feel shocked, right? I would not be shocked if Bitcoin broke out to 40, 50K. Like, I truly would not be. Now, let me show you guys something that I wanted to show you. Okay. Which is, let's go to a clean Bitcoin chart here. Alright, check this out. So, do you guys remember when I called the El Salvador flash crash? Probably a lot of you didn't know me back then. But if you come back here, okay, I called the El Salvador flash crash. Guys, this was absolutely crazy. This was one of the craziest days in crypto, in my opinion. Look, Bitcoin dropped from 53K to 43K within like 30 minutes to 3 hours. I forget exactly how long it took. A 10,000 point drop in 30 minutes to 3 hours. A 20% drop wiped off in less than 3 hours. That was crazy, okay? And so down here, right, this is a rare time when I was wrong on the market in the last 2 years. Is down here, I thought we were going to break down, right? So I thought we were going to break down and head down to this level right here at 37.4. Okay. So here I thought we were going to break down, and then boom, look what it does. It just rips out of there and goes to 69K. Well, it's very, very similar to what we just had, guys. Look at this. Okay? You see this? Look, you set a peak, El Salvador flash crash, 22 days down. Okay, most people think you're about to go lower, including me here. Bam, pop higher. Okay, look at this, look at this. Right here. Look at this, 22 days down. Everyone thought we were going to go lower here. Silicon Valley Bank goes belly up. This, that. Oh my God. Bam, look at that. Reversal out of there for a crazy pump. So check this out. This is one of the things I want to show you guys today. Is how similar this is to that. And from there to that, we did that. And that gets you, give or take, to the target of the 28Ks. Okay? So it's pretty cool stuff. And you can see it's matching up pretty damn well so far. Look at this. I mean, it's pretty amazing, bro. So, like, if we keep following this, too, right? Look at this. Maybe go sideways for a little. Bam, up. USDT dominance down. You know? Down. Boom. USDT dominance starts to bounce. And here's the thing, dude. USDT dominance could start to seriously bounce from there, right? But this is the thing. If USDT dominance broke down here, Bitcoin is headed to 48K, 50K, okay? But a USDT dominance holds, which I know at first it's going to hold, right? You're not going to just crack through support in like 95% of cases, a strong level like this. So what we're at the very least going to get is a bounce here around 6.4%, I think. Okay, I don't think we're just going to crack down through it, right? So it's like the analysis is super clear once you know what you're looking at and what you're looking for. Like, I truly hope you guys get the analysis that I'm trying to show you, man. Because you don't see anyone else breaking it down like this. Like, it's such a clear way of seeing things if you can just see what I see and get it, you know? So easy right now. So, on top of that, remember we have this right here, which is lining up very, very well. And this, look at this. Wait, okay. Let's hide this. No, let's change it to a different color. Alright, this is yellow. And this right here, the pump begins. Okay. This gets you, dude, I need a different color. I can't really see that. Look at this. This gets you exactly to resistance. Right? This pattern right here gets you exactly to that 28,300 resistance, bro. This is like, these patterns are amazing, bro. So remember, we have this pattern right here, and we have this pattern right here, which are both very, very similar pumps to what we're seeing right now, and both going at a very similar rate. Wait, let's move this out here. I mean, just amazing, bro. It's amazing. It's so similar, right? And so you think that's a coincidence? No, it's because, people are very similar in the way they react to things. And so the price is going to react very similarly to when everyone thinks we're going to go lower here, including me, bam, pops out of there. Everyone thinks they're going to go lower, bam, pops out of there. And so when you get a everyone thinks we're going to go lower, bam, pops out of there moment, it's going to be very similar each time usually, okay? So that's why this 28K-ish target, 27.2 to 28 to 31K, right? Like this is your area, bro, right here. Which, once again, how do we be pinpoint precise, right? How do we be more accurate? Because this is a larger range, right? 27K to 31.6K, right? Well, how we be more accurate is by using other charts as confluence, right? For example, the USDT dominance chart. If this is coming into support, but Bitcoin is hitting 31.3, that's the top, right? If USDT dominance is hitting support, meanwhile Bitcoin is only hitting 27.4, that's your top, right? Most likely. Okay, so that's the way you got to look at it. You don't want to be fixated on a target, because we can reach any of these targets, right? Oh shoot, I don't want to. There we go. Don't get fixated on a target. Get fixated on being correct and analyzing what's in front of you, and don't force it. So you see, what a lot of people do is, you see the support level right here in USDT dominance. When we get there, people are going to say, well, no one's going to say this because no one's really paying attention like this, but what I would do in the past is say, oh, I hope it breaks down. I hope it breaks down, because if it breaks down, I'm going to make so much money. If USDT dominance breaks down here, I am going to make 1 million plus, right? Because I would. If USDT dominance broke down here, guys, like I'd make 1 mil, 1.5, 2 mil plus here, right? Because Bitcoin, from there to there, bro, do you understand that shit's going to 50K? If USDT dominance broke down. But that's the thing. That's your hope. That's what you want to happen, not what's most likely to happen. What's most likely to happen, we're going to get a bounce at support, and we're going to go up from there in USDT dominance some. If that happens, Bitcoin's going to pull back, right? You have trade. Yes, we're up over 130, 150,000 today. As you can see, right here, 4.68 Bitcoin. This account. If you guys are new, you didn't hear me. This account, we've turned 30K into 155K on this account this week. We've got 4,400 on profit rolling on this account, and we got roughly another 4,000 rolling on this account. So 4,000, 125,000, and then we made 14K 2 days ago on the initial pump. So it's somewhere around 140, 150,000 right now in profit. So yeah, guys, plan's pretty simple. Now, can I stick to it? Because you look at your profits and you're like, dude, you're one click away from realizing those gains, right? All you have to do is click this button right here. Click it, bam, 150K is yours, right? Of course, you could always round trip it. I don't think we're going to, but you get the point. It's like, profit's not yours until you lock it in. But yeah, guys, analysis is pretty simple. So I think I've updated you guys this morning, and I think it's pretty clear what's up. So yeah, if you didn't catch this live stream, you're just tuning in, rewatch this live stream, guys. Rewatch the live stream to get the full analysis on basically what I broke down. Was we're copying this pattern, okay, and we're copying this pattern from whenever I was bearish right here. I was bearish. Then I flipped bullish right here at 47K, I remember. A lot of bears were mad at me for that. Okay, but it didn't matter. So, once again, that's what we're looking at. Pretty damn simple, guys. For me, it's super simple. I hope you guys get it. If you don't get it, as is the most important time, study up, get your shit together. Because as I've explained in the previous live stream, a lot of you guys will make 400% gain, and then you'll give it all back on negative 75%, and you wonder why you can't profit, because you're fighting an uphill battle. You don't know how to manage your risk, where you go make 400% and you lose it all on negative 75%. I mean, dude, that's not fair. How do you extract 400% from the market and lose it all on negative 75%? That means the market barely has to touch you to destroy you. Whereas you go and destroy the market, but give it all back, it's just, you know, it's a losing formula. And most people don't realize they're playing this losing formula right here. They make 400%, lose it all on 75%. People don't realize what to do, how to do it. You say you're going to risk only 1% of your account, then you double down, triple down, quadruple down. You got your whole account in it. You lose everything. And these are the things that happen to most people. This is why you can be in my alerts. You can trade with me. I can be right way more times than I'm wrong, and you'll still find a way to lose your money. You know, like I told you, I've explained my risk management process. So, congratulations, Guillermo. Congratulations, everyone. And top notch. You'll be good, bro. You got it. Alright, guys. I'll see you later. Take care. Enjoy the pump. Enjoy the gains. Congrats.